Hi, in this video I'm going to continue solving practice question for review exercise, Pythagoras theorem and similar shape. Look at number 9. So a square base pyramid has a base of area 16, okay, and a volume of 16 also. Calculate the perpendicular height of the pyramid. So the formula of the volume is volume equal to 1 over 3, the area of base times with the perpendicular height. So the volume is 16 equal to 1 over 3, and the area we got 16 also, and times with the height. So we got height equal to 16 divided by 16 times by 3. So the perpendicular height equal to 3 centimeter. Now we need to find the height and the area of the base of similar pyramid with the volume 1024. So we can make it for B here 1024 over 16 equal to x power of 3 divided by 3 square. So we can rearrange, make it x power of 3 equal to 27 times 1024, and we divide by 16. So now we need to find it. 1024, let's divide by 16. So 1024 divided by 16 is 64. So x, we can make it cube root of 27 times 64. Cube root. So x equal to 3 times 4. So x equal to 12 centimeter. If the volume is 1024, what is the area? Okay, we can find it with the volume equal to 1 over 3 area, base of area, and the perpendicular, the height. So the volume is 1024 equal to 1 over 3. If we are looking for the area, times the height is 12. So 1024 equal to, we can multiply it here, equal to 4 area. So both of them we divide by 4. So 1024 divided by 4 is 256 centimeter square. Let's go on 10. Okay, two of the triangles in each set of 3 are congruent. Okay, let's see. So we got A, B, C. Is it congruent with one of them? D, we can arrange it. So D will be here. We move it like this. Flip. D. Yeah, we flip this F. And then this is gonna be, okay, this is not congruent with this. So let's flip here. So it's gonna be okay, G. Okay, so A, B, C congruent is congruent to H, G, E. Okay, next we got X, Y here. Look at it, this and here congruent, but not with this. So A, B, C is congruent to D, E, F. Next, let's see it. So the angle X and Y. We can see from here A, C, B. E, D, E. Okay, not with this. So A, C, B. Okay, A, C, B is congruent with E, D, F. So we can make it similar like this. So this is gonna be E, and then this E, D, and then F. It's gonna be X, 1, this 2, and Y. So ACB is congruent to, we got EDF, congruent. Okay, D. Okay, we got number 5, 6. Let's check it. Look at there, C, starting with C, CA, B, 6, 7, 8. So is it congruent with G, A? Yes, it is. So we can write as the triangle CAB is congruent to the triangle E, not E. This is G. G, I, H. Okay, congruent. Okay, 11. Two lines intersect to form congruent adjacent angle. What can you conclude about the line? So this line, the lines are perpendicular because they are making 90-degree or right angle. If the diagonal of parallelogram are congruent, okay, if the diagonal are congruent, this is only two that can be. So it is a rectangle or square. You can draw if this. Okay, this will be equal the diagonal. Sorry. Or even for the square. Yeah, the diagonal will be equal or congruent. Okay, 12. We will use look at the right angle, Pythagoras. So 8.6 square equal to x square plus 6.5 square. We can rearrange it. So x square equal to 8.6 square minus by 6.5 square. So x equal to square root of, let us find it, 8.6 square is 73.96. We minus by 6.5 square on 6.5 square. So this is 42.25. So the x equal to square root of 73.96 minus by 42.25. So it's gonna be 31.71. So x is gonna be square root of 31.71. So they would like to make it correct to the two decimal places. So this is equal to 5.63 meter. Now 13. Okay, let's check it. Nadia wants to have a metal number 1. Okay, made for her gift. She found a sample brass numeral and not its dimension. She decides that her numerical should be similar to this one, but that it should be 4 times larger. So, okay. If this is 4 times larger, so 35, all of them we just multiply it by 4. So it's gonna be, this side is gonna be 140. Here also we multiply it by 4. So this is gonna be 560 millimeter. If this is similar, so times by 4 is gonna be 140 millimeter. Here also we multiply it by 4. It's gonna be 420 millimeter. Here also we multiply it by 4. It's gonna be 68 millimeter. Okay, calculate the length of the sloping edge. Okay, sloping edge. Okay, let's find it. This is, we can make it here. This side is 560 from here. And we minus with this length. Minus by 420. So let's draw it. So this is gonna be 68 millimeter. If this is 560, we minus by 420. So it's gonna be 140. So let's make it x. So x equal to square root of 140 plus by 68 square. So let's find it. 140 square is 19,600 plus 68 square is 4,624. So you can go on. So this will be 19,000. Okay, we addition. So this is square root of 24,224. Okay, so this x is gonna be 156 millimeter. Okay, there it is. Thank you.